After decades of dominance, the highest-rated and best-selling sit-inside recreational kayak of all time is born again. Introducing the all-new 2019 PUNGO. Blending legacy design elements with a modern flair, the new PUNGO delivers dynamic on-water performance with superior stability, unmatched speed, premium comfort, and intelligent outfitting. The renowned PUNGO hull, through rigorous engineering and testing, has reassuring stability without sacrificing performance. Best-in-class speed makes the PUNGO the easiest to paddle and most efficient kayak in its class, taking you farther and faster than you ever thought you could. The patented Phase 3 AirPro seating system is the core of what makes Wilderness Systems the world's most comfortable kayaks. The PUNGO's comfort and adjustability is built just for you, allowing you to be fully immersed in your on-water experience without worry or discomfort. The PUNGO integrates the most comprehensive kayak dashboard interface for optimal customization and features. It includes a removable dry box that allows you to take your valuables with you, 2 cup holders for your favorite beverage, a recess for the Wilderness Systems lithium battery, slide tracks, and 2 mounting platforms for customized accessorizing, a protective and replaceable skid plate, comfortable rigid carry handles, industry-leading storage capabilities, and thoughtful and configurable deck bungee rigging rounds out a robust list of attributes. The new PUNGO features a size for everyone. A 10.5-foot model is a compact package designed to fit a variety of paddlers. A 12-foot model accommodates small and medium-sized paddlers, and a 12.5-foot model for a large fit. With graceful performance and world-class luxury appointments, the all-new PUNGO delivers on its reputation and charts a new course for all sit-inside kayaks to come. See it in authorized Wilderness Systems dealer showrooms now.
Perception's latest lifestyle-inspired recreational kayak, the Joyride. The Joyride series of sit-inside kayaks are designed to be easy to paddle, feature-rich, and flat-out fun. Perfect for enjoying flat or slow-moving waters, the exceptionally stable, straight-tracking, and easy-turning design gives new paddlers a boat that will grow with them as their skills progress and is equally fun for more experienced paddlers. It's also lightweight and compact, so it's easy to carry and easy to store. The spacious sit-in cockpit is easy to get in and out of, and the thick, ventilated, premium padded seat with contoured backrest offers industry-leading adjustability. The heart and soul of the Joyride is the conveniently clever entertainment center dashboard, a hub for staging your electronics and gear right within your reach for an enhanced on-water experience. The dashboard features the patent-pending selfie slot, a totally unique way to stage your smartphone and capture and share your best on-water moments. Also located on the dashboard is the Solo Mount accessory system. With the Perception Solo Mount base, enables easy installation of a wide variety of accessories and mounts to hold phones, tablets, speakers, cameras, fishing rods, fish finders, cup holders, and much more. Top it off with a 2-position water bottle holder and gear trays equipped with quick lash bungee for extra security while out on the water. Gearing up to spend all day on the water is a breeze with the spacious hinged hatch dry storage compartment, allowing you to easily access your stowed items of nearly any shape or size. As with all Perception kayaks, the Joyride was proudly designed, molded, and hand-assembled in the USA. Available in 2 sizes and a variety of colors, the Joyride is your all-access pass to fun. Stop by your local authorized Perception Kayaks dealer or check perceptionkayaks.com to experience.
Introducing the all-new Wilderness Systems Tsunami, delivering a wave of performance and style. The performance-inspired deck of the new Tsunami motivates you to explore more, while a focus on improving the paddler's experience sees new features incorporated into the design. Complementing spacious covered storage are 2 removable mesh deck storage bags, perfect for stowing close-at-hand items, as well as an under-deck storage area that provides another alternative for staging your favorite beverage. Small changes with big effects have also been integrated into the hull. The flared sidewalls and increased volume above the waterline provide more confidence and stability, while the longer waterline delivers increased speed and efficiency. The industry-leading Phase 3 AirPro seating system enables you to travel farther in the world's most comfortable kayak. The Tsunami is available in 3 sizes, ensuring an optimized fit for every paddler. Tsunami, performance touring at its peak. Visit your local authorized Wilderness Systems dealer to see more.
A Brooklyn kayak company, Kayak, is an investment in the outdoors, an investment in family, in health, and in fun. Built to last, Brooklyn Kayak Company kayaks come complete with everything you need to get on the lake, the river, or the ocean, plus the peace of mind that comes with a full 5-year warranty. High-quality components, innovative designs, not to mention a price that won't break the bank. It's time to get into the outdoors.
Welcome to the Pack. Pakayak is the ultimate kayak, meticulously engineered to the highest standards. The 14-foot Bluefin is built of the finest materials and designed for durability, packability, and stellar performance in the water. The Pakayak Bluefin is a packable nesting kayak fashioned from 6 independent roto-molded UV-resistant polymer sections. When packed, these sections nest inside one another and fit snugly inside a durable 1000 denier bag with reinforced 1250D ballistic nylon. When assembled, our 14-foot Bluefin is a sleek touring kayak, equal or superior in performance to any rigid hull boat in its class. The Bluefin is fast. Properly handled, we have pushed this boat to over 6 knots. The double-chined hull improves performance by providing a secondary stability, allowing the advanced paddler to carve, surf, and turn. The hull is designed to break and shed waves while tracking and gliding exceptionally well through the water. Engineered for toughness, the boat is virtually indestructible. Sealed with state-of-the-art foam gasket material designed for the marine environment, and with 19 stainless steel spring-loaded locking clamps. Simply put, the boat is completely watertight and 100% guaranteed not to leak. Each reinforced joint acts as a bulkhead, further strengthening the integrity of the hull. In terms of comfort, the Bluefin is outfitted with a high-quality UV-resistant memory foam seat. Canvas pads cover the latches and seam inside the cockpit, and the fully adjustable pedals allow for 12 inches of adjustment. The boat is designed to accommodate persons up to 6'3", or with an inseam of up to 34 inches. It's also conservatively rated to accommodate a maximum capacity of 300 pounds. All Pakayak products are proudly made in America, and a portion of all proceeds benefit wildlife conservation. Whether you're an expert or a novice paddler, whether you're a traveler, boater, camper, or weekend warrior, Pakayak really is the ultimate kayak. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, read customer reviews, and make an educated decision. Join the pack. Pakayak, the ultimate